Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear temporary files in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 in your PC or in your laptop and you want to clear temporary files, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings. Just click on this window icon and then click on settings. And here just wait for this loading and then click on system. Under system just scroll down and look for storage here. Click on storage and then you'll see the option of temporary files. You just have to select this and it will take us some times to check for temporary files in your PC, so you just have to wait for it. So once it's done you will see every temporary file in your PC. So it might include your downloads, so I recommend you have to don't select download from there, or if you want to delete downloads you can also select them. And after that, you just have to click on this remove files and then click on continue. So it will take some time to delete these temporary files, and after that, temporary files will be successfully deleted from your Windows. So in this way, you can easily delete temporary files. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.